Hi guys, welcome back to another channel. Today I will be introducing you to the website called sntron.com. In this website, you will be needing your mobile number, login password, security password, the referral code, and just copy the attached. But if you already have an account, you can just press sign in and then input your mobile number and login password. Enabling the remember the password will enable you to enter the website without signing in. After signing in, you will be immediately greeted by this notice. Welcome to TRX Investment Company. Here is the company's legal white paper, their Telegram customer service, the app they have, and the amount you want to deposit with its minimum profit. For example, if you deposit 5 to 20,000 TRX, your daily minimum profit is 3%. Here are more examples for this type of investments. If you deposit 10 million TRX, you will receive 12% TRX as profit. If you want to learn more, you can just click the notification platform. As you can see, you already received 5,000 TRX for free. You can choose between deposit, withdrawal, share, team, app, and log out. The wallet and promotion accounts are also stated and the amount that it has. You can join to be a TRON millionaire. The accumulated profit and membership are also displayed, and more information about the website such as their global partners. Now let's move on to trading. As you can see, the cloud mining is working at 5%, and if you want to see your history about trading, you can just click trading profit. This is the page where you can collect free TRX. Now let's move on to the invest page. As you can see, there are two types of product, the 7-day and the 180-day cycle. The longer cycle you choose, the higher profit you will receive. And if you want to invest, you can click recharge and deposit to your account. If you want to see your history about investment, you can just click product list. Now let's move on to share. I encourage everyone to share this to your friends and invite them successfully because you will receive rewards. There are unlimited rewards, therefore you can invite unlimited people. Moving on to the mine page, here is where you can see your user number, total balance of TRX you have, and more app services. You can also deposit and withdraw in this page. Now I will be teaching you how to deposit on the website using your Trust Wallet. You will need to click basic account and then copy the address, then go to your Trust Wallet and then click TRON and then click send. You will then need to paste the recipient address and the amount you want to deposit. I wanted to deposit 30 TRX, therefore that's the amount I placed. You will need to confirm it before the actual app completes the transaction. As you can see, it is currently pending, but after a while it will become completed. Now that it's stated completed, you can now go back to the website and click recharge completed. It doesn't take a while, and as you can see, after 1 minute or less, I've already received the TRX. If you did not receive the TRX, you can just easily contact their Telegram, which is their customer service. Now I will be teaching you how to withdraw on the website using your Trust Wallet. Click the withdrawal button and then input the amount you want to deposit. As you can see, the withdrawal limit is 0.90. Therefore, that's the amount that I will withdraw. Then go to your Trust Wallet and then copy your address by clicking TRON and then the receive button. Then you can now copy your address and then go back to the website and paste it on there. Afterwards, you can now input your password so that you can now withdraw. As you can see, the submit was successful and it already deducted from the website, and here are proofs of the transactions. As you can see, I've already received the 0.9 TRX equivalent to 3 pesos. I will also be providing screenshots about the deposit that was successful as well. And that is all that you need to know about this website. You can now join me on investing in this website by clicking and signing in the link in the description below. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye!